In this video, we're going to answer the following question of finding an x such that 10 to the power x plus 1000 to the power x is 100 to the power x plus 10,000 to the power x. Let me put it in parentheses to make sure that we understand the problem. And with this r is 0, so we want to find, or can we say that there is a x in r such that we have this kind of equation. Okay, so to solve this kind of equation, we're gonna transform it into some common base. Okay, so here we see that we're gonna use the fact that a to the power n to the power m is the same as a to the power m to the power n. Okay, here we can write this one as 10 to the power x plus 10 to the power x to the power 3 is 10 to the power x squared plus 10 to the power x to the power 4. And we're gonna let y be 10 to the power x. Note that in this case y is strictly bigger than 0. Okay, it can never be 0 for all x's in r. Okay, therefore our equation becomes y plus y cubed is y squared plus y to the power 4. Okay, we see that if we factor out by y, we're gonna get y is let me first rewrite it in the equation form. So we're gonna have y plus y cubed minus y squared minus y to the power 4 is 0. If I factor out by y, I'm gonna get 1 plus y squared minus y cubed is 0. And since y is never 0, we have only 1 plus y squared minus y cubed is 0. Okay, so now if I do some factoring, I'm gonna do it here. So I'm gonna have 1 plus y squared as a common factor. Okay, so let's do it. So we have 1 plus y squared times 1 minus y is 0. Okay, so here this one is never 0. Okay, and the only one left is 1 minus y is 0. Okay, that means y is 1. Okay, now we can go back and a plug for, or a switch for x. So that means that they have, in this case, that means that 10 to the power x is 1. And this happens only when we have 10 to the power 0. That means x is 0. And the only solution is that x is 0. There is no other number. Okay, so my solution, or the set of solution, is 0. Okay, now to check, when I plug 0 here, have 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1, because all of them to the power 0, they give us 1. And I have 2 equals 2, that's logical. And that means the value 0, or x equals 0, is the only solution for this equation. Okay, there is no other. Thank you very much.